In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the QuickBooks Desktop version. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a bustling enterprise, having reliable accounting software is essential. QuickBooks Desktop offers robust features that can streamline your accounting tasks, and today we'll walk through the process of acquiring and setting it up. First, you'll want to head over to the official Intuit QuickBooks website. This is the trustworthy source where you'll find all the versions of QuickBooks along with the latest updates. It's always a good practice to use the official site for software purchases to ensure you're not only getting a legitimate copy, but also the latest version with all the security patches. Once you've reached the website, navigate to the section dedicated to QuickBooks Desktop versions. QuickBooks offers various editions including Pro, Premier, and Enterprise, each tailored with distinct capabilities to suit different business needs. Take a moment to browse through the features of each version to determine which one aligns best with your specific accounting requirements. After you've made your choice, proceed to select the version and edition of QuickBooks Desktop you'd like to purchase. It's vital to make sure you're selecting the correct version that best fits your business demands, as each carries unique tools and functionalities. For example, if you need industry-specific solutions, the Premier Edition might be the right choice, whereas for larger businesses with more complex needs, Enterprise could be the way to go. Once you've decided, add the software to your cart. The process at this point is similar to any other online shopping experience. You'll be prompted with options, perhaps for a subscription plan tailored to your business size or additional supporting services. Carefully consider these options as they can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Upon adding the item to your cart, continue to the checkout process. Here, you'll be required to input your purchase information. Fill in your business and payment details accurately to ensure a smooth transaction. If you encounter any issues, QuickBooks support services are just a click away and can assist you with any concerns. After purchasing, you have the option to download the software directly from the confirmation page or choose to receive a physical copy if that's preferable for your setup. If you opt for the digital download, follow the on-screen instructions to get the installer onto your system. This method is quicker and allows you to start setting up the software right away. Congratulations! You've now got QuickBooks Desktop ready for installation. From here, just follow the installation prompts on your computer, and before you know